Yo, yeah, I was in the zone. September 14th, 2025, we're rolling slow. Ratio ka kill, sitaron ka spell. So liberta this forecast is straight from the shell. Let's begin the day's divine rap. Chatura shiti ti Krishna paksha kavai. Kasta nakshatra vargom unstraya. Bahura taje sumvase shamta ke tight. Don't send for the cosmic light is bright. Power color, white or sky blue. Lucky number 18, no hit it's true. Monsoon na bibit ka swing. North may barsat, south ka heat king. Delhi thoda humid, Mumbai soaked in rain. Kolkata ka thunderstorm, Bangalore mile again. Farms ko mil raha relief ka vibe. Weather ke saath nature kar rahi thrive. Listen up fam, jo shine karenge aaj. Virgo, Asta nakshatra's magic touch. Scorpio, bold moves, lux clutch. Vicious creative vibes, hearts glow. Leo, career mein strong flow. Capricorn, paisa pura halo. Stand tall today, make your fam proud. But yo, caution bhi hai zaruri, don't ignore Baba's story. Aries, gussa control kar. Gemini, more turn overthinking ko door kar. Aquarius, kumba, avoid risky moves yaar. Patience is key, warna hoga sansar bhayankar. 95 on a constant in the go on a Sydney Olympic star. India's pride, history ke pages, future ka guide. And yo, on this day worldwide, people fall for peace, for hope to reside. Born today, Samat Guru Ramdas ki sweetie in modern era, poet spreading divinity. Aaj ke din jo aaye is dharti par, unki ruh hai blessed, unki kahani amar. Happy birthday to all my fam today. Hey Baba, bless you in every way. Bhagwan ka sandesh aaj bada simple hai. Patience is the tool jo kare success ka rasta clear. Anger ko replace karo with calm cheer. Universe bod raha, do good, stay true. Got my returns, it's all about you. Yo, आज का forecast खत्म पर vibe बाकी. रशियों की कहानी, सितारों की बातें जागी. ए बाबा बोलता है, align with your soul. कल फिर मिलेंगे with another cosmic goal. Peace.